What is Python full stack development? Before getting into the video, I just wanna tell you a note. That is, Python full stack development and Python development both are not same. Python development is different and Python full stack development is different. So I hope you got a clarity. So now let's get into the video. Start with front end. First you need to learn HTML and CSS. Then a CSS framework called Bootstrap. Then next learn JavaScript and a JavaScript framework called React JS. Up to here front-end part has completed. But if you observe clearly, in the Munchtalk video also, I said the same skills to learn in the front-end. Yes, for front-end, both Mun full stack and Python full stack have same technologies and languages to learn. But back-end changes. So in Python full stack, for back-end, you need to learn Python first and a Python framework called DJango. Up to here, backend part also has completed. Now come to database. In database, you need to learn only one technology, that is SQL. So that's all for the video. These are the all technologies and languages you need to learn to become Python full stack developer. If you still have any confusion, let me know in the comments below.